This is 1D part 2, where you're asked to show annotated evidence of how the map was embedded onto the contact page. Now, just for note, later on we're going to need to print the web pages, so as we go through these tutorials we'll probably cover the whole of the page as we go through. And if we have a look here, this is the map that they want. It's an interactive map of the shopping centre based on B742YU. So first of all, you can actually put in the basic information that needs to go there, which is Sheep Square. Now I know that Sheep Square is in the title, but as I've put it as part of the address in the question, it's worth repeating it. 1 Lamb Street, etc, etc, and the same with the telephone number, and the same with the email address. Now the email address, you can just leave that. You don't need to do it as a hyperlink. You can do if you want to, but most browsers will pick that up anyway. So we now need to put in the map. So what we're going to do is we're going to embed a map, and we're going to use Google Maps for this purpose. So we'll go to Google and we'll do a search for B742YU, and we will go to Maps. Okay, and this is the area that we need to center on, and it's quite straightforward really. What we do is we click on Share, and then you'll see that this is a link that you could send to share, but we're going to embed the map on the page so that it always appears live. And you can see here now it's giving you some code, right, which starts iframe src equals and so on. So I'm going to copy that code, and now what we can do is we can put that in here. Now I can't just paste it here. If I try and paste it here, it just comes up as a load of text. We actually need to put this into the HTML source code. So what we're going to do is go to our source code here, and I'm going to paste it in just here. So I'll just put a couple of lines in so we can see quite clearly where it's going. There it is. Okay, that is the link. If we go back to normal view, and then we'll save what we've done and preview it. So what we can now do is press F5 or go to File menu to look at it. We'll save it, have a look in our web browser and see whether the map has come up, and indeed it has, and it's centered exactly where we need it to be. So we've now got to produce the evidence of what we've actually done. So in terms of that evidence, this is what we need to look at. We need to say what we did in terms of searching for the particular area in Google Maps, showing how we selected the embed option. Now if you take the screenshot like this, it's got the embed, it's got the code, and it's got the postcode. And then we need to show how we pasted that code into our actual HTML code itself. As long as you put wording to explain what you've done, that should be absolutely fine. And that's the end of the map, and indeed the end of the contact us page.